Okay, we need to have a talk. Mm-hmm. Yes. Listen. Yeah. What? Monroe, is that true? Monroe, Tonka says she's snoring? Monroe, are you snoring? You're not snoring? What's going on? Uh-oh. Monroe, is that true? You're snoring at night and Tonka can't get any sleep? Tonka says he's got bags under his eyes. Monroe says that you're the one snoring and she can't sleep. Whoa. Monroe, is that true? He's the one snoring, you can't sleep? Who's the one? That's not me. I don't snore. No. I am not keeping you guys awake. No, maybe it's Daddy. Is it Daddy? Monroe, is it your daddy? No. It's not me. Y'all don't gang up on me. You're ganging up on me. I'm glad your dad's not here. No. Listen, I just wanted to let everybody know that I do not snore. Nope. That's Tonka. Or Monroe. Or Daddy. But it's not me. I'm the only one who doesn't snore in this house. It's not true, Tonka. Stop saying that. It's Daddy, right? Is it your daddy? Monroe, is your daddy the one snoring? You're not going to sell him out? Is it me? Oh, hey. Am I the one snoring?